So we're going to continue the linear equations, but we're going to graph using solution tables. So we're going to start, instead of just finding the equation, we're actually going to graph them. So there's going to be a couple different ways that we learn to graph linear equations. This first way is just with the solution table. So you have your x and your y and your equation in the middle. And my x's, you choose 3. So you choose a positive, a negative, and a 0. They can be any number you want, but normally I pick -2, 0, and 2 just because those are relatively small numbers. So I have 2 times -2 plus 3. 2 times -2 is -4 plus 3 is -1. Then I have 2 times 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. And I have 2 times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 gives me 7. So these are my new coordinates. So if I look, these are x's, that's my x and that's my y. So -2, -1, 0, 3, and 2, 7. So I'm going to graph those, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice it makes a straight line. If that didn't make a straight line, if it was a triangle, we would have messed up somewhere. Okay, so you'd have to go back in this work and look and see if you messed up. Okay, on this one, it's going to be a little bit different what I choose because I have the 1/3 x. So I have x and y. If I and y equals 1/3 x plus 4, because I have the 1/3, I want to pick numbers that are going to cancel. So I'm going to pick -3, 0, and 3. So I have 1/3 times -3 over 1 plus 4. This is going to cross cancel. That becomes a 1. That becomes a -1. -1 times -1 is -1. Then 1 times 1 is 1 plus 4. -1 plus 4 gives me +3. I have 1/3 times 0 plus 4. That gives me 0 plus 4, which is 4. Then 1/3 times 3 over 1 plus 4. That again cancels. That becomes a 1. That becomes a 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So it's 1 over 1, which just gives you 1, plus 4, which is 5. So my coordinates, -3, 3, 0, 4, and 3, 5. So if I graph those, -3, 3, 0, 4, and 3, 5. And notice again, it makes a straight line. So that's how you graph linear equations using a solution table.